know the difference.
Just drive.
Seriously?
They took everything from me. I do not fear, for you are with me.
What do you do?
I drive for movies.
Is that dangerous?
It's only part-time.
You put this kid behind the wheel. There's nothing he can't do.
Kid, I want you to meet Mr. Bernie Rose.
My hands are a little dirty.
So am I.
So what is it you do?
I'm a driver.
Oh, like a chauffeur. Anyone I'd know?
I hope not.
What is your name?
Baby.
Your name's Baby. B-A-B-Y, baby.
All right, team, listen up. This crew is about family, but the game has changed now.
The drivers are convicts, and the rules are simple. There are no rules. Win and get your freedom. I want you to drive for me.
What makes you think I'm gonna risk my life doing this for you?
I'm offering you your freedom. All you have to do is walk off that track alive. And win, of course.
Look out there. Out there is the perfect lap. You see it?
I think so.
Most people can't.
Hey! Oh, shit. Oh. Come on, man. You can get that buffed out. No, you can get that buffed out.
Death, the more alive you feel.
You're James, aren't you?
Yes.
Welcome to the Coca-Cola 600.
How many yards away is the vault?
20 yards. I don't know, maybe 30.
Is it 20 or is it 30? We are dealing with science here.